Hey, pilots, Jackson with Jackson RC Aviation, along with pilot Mason. We do have the XFly models 1400 millimeter Twin Nova. We're going to be unboxing it and going to probably put it together and hopefully make flight today. I'm not sure that we can get everything put together. Alright, so let's get her out of the box here. Alright, slide it. Just push it over there. Alright. Need some and again, 1400 mil, 55 inches, wingspan, 42 inch overall, 2212 ESCs, 20 amp tube, and let's see, it takes 3S 2200 to 5000. See if we can get it out of here. Let's side over there. Let's take it. Let's take this one. Hold on 1 second. We're in no hurry. When you hurry, you make mistakes. Alright, got it.
Hey. You can just use this?
Yep, use this here. The Twin Nova. Alright, seems like they got it packaged pretty good. We're still looking good in the camera. Got your bag with all your information in it.
You're very excited.
Got your bag of bolts, nose cone, all that stuff. I'm gonna fold them like this. Sit them over there, right there. Okay. Do you have your wheels? Wingspan. One wing. You see that? Okay. Look like you got to put your. They already got it for your flaps. We just got to put them on for the. All right. For that. Other wing. Okay. Okay.
Forward.
What did you do, reversal? They put it on that one, then put it on that one. See that?
No, it's the same way.
Huh?
It's the same way.
Okay. I was looking at it back. Alright. Two sets of props. Like you see there. Okay. What else we got? What else we got? rear. Okay.
Elevators.
Elevator. And of course the fuselage. And up. Yeah. All right.
It looks like it's a Corsi helicopter.
Yeah.
In the front.
Okay, so we're going to take a quick break for a second, and we'll be right back. All right, first thing we're going to do is put on the screws.
For the landing gear.
Landing gear.
Very good. What's that?
You tight?
Yeah. I'll just put it in really tight. Or not tight first. I dropped it. The fell on the floor.
Okay. Next step. What's it say?
This.
Right?
There we go. Screwdriver.
What screw goes in there?
The wrong way.
Putting on the elevator.
Start moving. It's not even all the way in. Oh, look. There's a whole bunch of space on the side. There's a hole way right there. Okay.
I don't want to push that brake. Well, I like to look at the damn what's called it too.
You guys do the same thing? Oh, I'm holding until we get it figured out.
Okay, we're back. We're putting on the second wing now, and I can tell you, some days I like putting stuff together, some days I don't. And this is what I'm, you know, just kind of taking more time than I want.
I like building.
Because first I don't have no patience with this shit in the first place.
Oh.
So anyway, we're gonna put this wing on.
Oh, there we go. Oh,
You got what we have? We have 3 wires, right?
you're stuck.
All right.
I got it.
All right.
We'll do this first. No, cover it.
These are EC what 3? Right?
Yeah, I was like, okay, get it.
EC3s are being hooked.
Why do you see M130s?
Oh, yes, man. Can you see?
Move. They moved the flaps this time. Flaps are in the middle. Maybe I did it wrong last time.
You have 3 prongs that you gotta hook.
Can't see. Servo connectors.
So that means you don't have. Well, you still gotta hook this to the receiver.
You lost the red.
Hmm?
You lost the red.
The what?
I lost the red wire.
Red wire to what?
This one.
What's it go to?
Plug it in.
The other one wasn't hooked.
Huh? The other one had red one.
Did it? Okay. Well, let's see here. What's this?
Huh? I don't know what it is. I wasn't pulling on it. So I didn't know what it was.
Well, that's red, right?
Yeah, but I didn't know what it was. So I was just leaving it. Is it hooked or something?
They're hooking up. I don't see it.
Oh.
I guess.
I told you to leave off the red one.
That's too long to be hooked up.
It's unhooked.
So why they got it like that?
I mean, it probably came out.
So they didn't put it back?
What we did when we were trying to pull them out.
No, it wasn't like that. We didn't pour it like that.
Hmm?
We didn't pour it out. It was already hooked to the sink. What is that to?
Just put solder on it and put it back in.
Is that where it goes?
Well, I'll put some solder on it. Put it back in.
Is that where it goes?
Just solder on it. I think it'll stick.
What piece of tape?
But it's gotta be all the way in.
It's already, see it? I already put it all in.
But it's not gonna stay.
Where's it gonna go?
Back out. Just be loose.
This is some of that dumbest shit I've ever seen in my life. You know what I mean?
I like it. It's better than having 10,000 plugs everywhere.
Well, first you gotta get this.
You just gotta bring one.
Oh, this is put on one wing. I don't want to pull them.
Pull your cedar.
Hmm?
Pull your cedar a little bit. Alright.
Wait a minute.
Is he looking at it this one?
Look at this. There ain't nothing on there. Still screws.
I think that red wire is gonna be a problem. So
Problem with what?
you don't want light working.
If it was on the flaps, I'd care less. We don't use flaps anyway.
It's not all the flaps. I'm trying to light.
You know what?
Light.
I don't think that's going no way.
Okay. There we go.
Alright. That one in. Twin Nova. You already got one screw in there. Did I already do that? This one. Is it tight?
When did you put that one
I
in?
didn't put it in. You
I didn't put it in.
Alright.
Maybe I did.
That's done. Alright. Both wings are on. Wheels are on. Elevator's on. Rudder's done. Next thing we gotta do. What is it?
Propeller.
What's it say?
Put the propeller on.
Hope everybody's having a good day. Can we see everything? Double check.
I zoomed in.
Huh?
I zoomed in.
Alright, Mason is now putting in the props. So what's it say?
It's gonna say what side you put it on. I'm guessing this side.
Are you sure?
It doesn't say.
No, hold on.
We don't know how many.
Stand by.